UK driving theory test. Stopping distances. There are thinking distance, braking distance, and overall stopping distance. When taking your UK driving theory test, you will almost certainly be asked a question or two about stopping distances or braking distances. This video will assist you in recognising the terms used as well as making sense of them throughout your UK driving theory test. It's critical to read the questions carefully while answering the UK driving theory test question about stopping distances or braking distances. If you answer the question regarding braking distance, believing it's a question about stopping distances, for example, you will almost certainly get this answer wrong. What is thinking distance? The distance you go in the time it takes you to realise you need to stop is known as thinking distance. This time is spent watching the scenario unfold, recognising that a risk exists, and concluding that the conditions compel you to brake in response to that risk. What influences the thinking distance? Your mental state. Are you attentive and aware, focusing entirely on your driving, prepared to deal with any potential hazards that may arise during your journey? Your ability. Your ability to respond to the driving experience. Have you been taking lessons for a while? Are you comfortable out on the road? Your response time is getting faster with each journey. Or do you suffer from a lack of confidence behind the wheel, ignoring crucial clues about impending dangers? Distractions. The distractions in your vehicle. Do you find it difficult to concentrate with other passengers in your vehicle? Is it easy to get distracted by music or the temptation to use your mobile phone? What is braking distance? The distance travelled in your vehicle from the time you initially use your brakes to the point when the car comes to a complete stop. This is known as braking distance. What are the influences on the braking distance? Your own skill as a driver, the anti-lock braking system or ABS in your car, the status and condition of the vehicle's tyres. This might include things like tyre pressure, wheel tracking, the quality of rubber used on the tyres, and tread depth. Weather conditions. From wet and icy roads to dry highways, each weather situation presents its own set of hazards for drivers. Whether you're on an incline or not. When going downhill, uphill, or even flat roads, overall stopping distance. What is the definition of the overall stopping distance? This is the total distance travelled while thinking, reacting, and braking. As a result, everything described here will impact on your overall stopping distance, usually referred to just as stopping distance. So here what we see is a bar chart for stopping distances. The blue part is thinking distance, the brown part is braking distance, and put together that gives you the overall stopping distance. So for 20 miles per hour, you're thinking for 20 feet, braking for 20 feet, making an overall stopping distance of 40 feet or 12 meters. At 40, for instance, you're thinking for 40 feet, braking for 80 feet, giving an overall stopping distance of 120 feet or 36 metres. And then at 60 miles per hour, you're thinking for 60 feet, you will be braking for 180 feet, making an overall stopping distance of 240 feet. There's a formula. So if you look at the 20 miles per hour, you can see that 20 feet times 2 is 40 feet. At 30 miles an hour, 30 feet times 2.5 is 75 feet. 40 miles per hour, 40 feet thinking distance times 3 is 120 feet. 50 miles per hour, thinking distance of 50 feet times 2.5 is, times 2.5 is 125. So it goes like that. At 20 it's 2, 30 2.5, 40 is 3, 50 is 3.5, 60 is 4, and 70 is 4.5 times, giving you the overall stopping distances. That's the formula for feet. For meters, there isn't really a formula that you can follow. You just have to memorize them all. Okay, I hope that's helped.